Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review to show you this unused, totally mint condition Rockford 24-inch hydraulic shaper. This is a 24-inch Rockford shaper manufactured by Rockford Machine Tool out of Rockford, Illinois in the United States of America. This machine happens to be serial number 119 HD74. Again, that's 119 HD74, and it's our stock number 4702. That being said, we'd like to point out the fact that this machine has 1 inch to 28 inches of adjustable ram stroke. So they call it a model 24-inch, but we can go from 1 inch to 28 inches on this ram stroke adjustment. So it says 28 on the far right, and from 0 to 1 inch on the far left. The speeds on this are variable. They vary between the range of 10 to 140 feet per minute on the cutting speeds. This is a very unique machine. The fact that it has quite a few options, we'd like to point out why we're running the machine. Let's go ahead, Frankie, and start showing them what we've got here. It is a 10 horsepower main drive motor. The overall weight of the machine is 8,000 pounds. This machine is currently sitting, the reason it's bouncing around is because it's currently sitting on this heavy-duty wooden pallet. And this is the U.S. government standby storage, reserve storage pallet that it came on. So we're going to keep it on the heavy-duty pallet for the time being. Okay, thanks for pointing that out. We've got the automatic downfeed option. And it's currently set up in the downfeed position. Okay, we call that automatic downfeed on the tool head. It's also known in the industry as the clapper box, and that's what houses your heavy-duty tool post. This is the old American design tool post, but that could be whatever tool post you desire. Moving on down on the options of the machine, we're looking at a heavy-duty universal vise. This is a 14-inch opening heavy-duty universal vise. This is way cool, so we wanted to point out that there's swiveling on this table, left to right and front to back. Now currently it's set up with this outboard support unit. Down here is the outboard support bracket that's mounted. Let's see, and that's a 1 inch by 2 inch on that heavy duty tool post that's on there now.
The knee's feeding up.
Okay, the knee's currently feeding up. Thank you. Zero in on that. That's cool. Okay, so what Frankie's pointing out here is we have cross slide on the table. We have the feed coming up and down.
Now the cross is feeding.
Now that's set in an increment right now on the cross slide. The Cross feeds to table range go from 0.002 inch to 0.110 inch. Ram return ratio at 150. The number of cutting speeds is variable within the range of 10 to 140 feet per minute. 6 1/4 inches on the tool head vertical adjustment. Okay, so we can either feed it manually, we can feed it in a cross-feed fashion, or we can feed it in a power rapid traverse. If we're going manually, we're going to put this crank here simply, and then crank it to and fro, as well as here, for the up and down, off of the manual knee crank, manual cross crank. Table travel vertical is 10.5 inches. Max table to ram, universal plane side is 14.5. Very simple, easy to run machine. You can make it as complex or as simple as you like. Here's how he's adjusting the rate. Tag. Okay, should we show them the electricals also, Frank? Okay, the machine's currently set up at 220 volt. Here's inside of the electrical panel. Thank you very much. As well as the fact that we have a heavy-duty 10 horsepower Lewis Almers or Lewis Alice motor. I wanted to point out, lastly, sorry for the length of this video, folks, but I wanted to point out a couple of things here that are very important to everyone here. The condition of these ways, they're absolutely unused, and there's original flaking all over the place. Can you get your flashlight out and show us these ways right here, Frank, by chance? Kind of dark back here. Okay, great. Here's the original flaking here, and this is for the crossways. Very nice, thank you, thank you. Then maybe on that vertical also, if you could. Okay, looking good there, looking good there. Okay, here's the heavy-duty vise that's sitting on the universal table. So that being said, this table will go back and forth, 0 to 15 left and right. So it'll go to and fro this way. Right now it's at the 0 position. I'd like to point out the condition of the screw here. You got your flashlight handy still? Thank you. And the ways. All right, far left-hand side of the machine here. Ram motor. Here's the hydraulic line. Going for the hydraulic tool slide adjustment. Here's your tag. Now the one last thing I wanted to point out here is Frankie was pointing to, please show me there with your hands, Frankie. Let's point out that. Okay, this basically indicates here right now that we're at the 0 degree mark. And again, what we're saying here is this table can tilt so that this can be your top side, or this here could be your top side. Simply remove your outboard bracket, and then the adjustment's done off of this lever here by tilting it. Very nice, thank you. Or if you're going off of this one here, for your to and fro, front and back, this is the lever here for the adjustment. Okay, well that about wraps it up. I'm just shy of 10 minutes. I'm going to conclude here. Alright, so this video is going to be on machineryconsultants.com. Additional photos are also found on our website, machineryconsultants.com. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and thanks for shopping at Machinery Consultants. We're at www.machineryconsultants.com, as well as feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. We're here at 801-531-9500. Thanks again. Have a great day. God,